Here's Quinn enjoying his play mat that my coworkers got me. Oh, it's exciting. What are you looking at? Oh, the lights. Oh, so much fun, eh? Oh, the toy. Yeah. Hey, you like that? Is it fun? So many things. How old are you right now, Quinn? You're 6 weeks old. Yeah. Oh. So much fun. Say thank you very much. I like this a lot. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah. Okay, say goodbye.